Here's how to activate any version of Microsoft Office for free. So first open Terminal, also known as PowerShell, as admin. Let it load, and once you do that, paste this command. It's in the description of this video. This command is completely safe to use and it's not a virus, so just trust the process. Let the interface load as it's doing here. Once it does, since we're activating Office, click the 2 on your keyboard as I've just done. And since we're activating the Office and not downloading Office, press 1 again. If you have not already downloaded, press 3, but since I'm activating it, press 1. So let it do its work, and in the meantime, you must wait. As you can see, 2 processes have become successful and it has been activated. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for other videos like this.